Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Goldman Sachs, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve in both the short and long term. Gather all relevant financial documents, including income statements, bank statements, and expense records. Identify your total monthly income from all sources. Next, list your fixed expenses. These include rent, utilities, insurance, and loan payments. Now, account for variable expenses. Variable expenses may include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Add up both your fixed and variable expenses to find the total monthly spending. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. If you have money left over, consider how to allocate it effectively. If you're in the negative, identify areas to cut back. Create a monthly budget using spreadsheets or budgeting apps. Goldman Sachs offers a range of financial tools that can help you manage this process. Familiarize yourself with the tools available through the Goldman Sachs platform. Utilize their budgeting calculator to visualize your income and expenses. Set spending limits for each category in your budget. Stick to these limits to maintain financial discipline. Regularly monitor your budget to stay on track. Adjust your budget as necessary, reviewing it monthly or quarterly. Consider saving a portion of your income each month. Aim for an emergency fund to cover unforeseen expenses. Invest in financial education to improve your budgeting skills. Explore resources provided by Goldman Sachs for personalized advice. Review your financial goals regularly to see if they have changed. Stay committed to your budgeting plan and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Consistency is key to achieving financial stability. By using these steps, you can create a budget that works for you with the help of Goldman Sachs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.